Ever stood over a project thinking, if only I had precision and power in one tool? Today we're revealing the best table saws that make every cut cleaner and every build easier. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned for top picks that truly elevate your workshop, and if you love them, grab yours through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Evolution Table Saw. Most table saws force you to choose between power and precision, and that compromise is where projects start to fall apart. The Evolution Table Saw refuses to play that game. Built around a high-torque 15-ampere motor with soft start, it slices through wood, mild steel, aluminum, and composites without hesitation, turning what used to require multiple tools into one streamlined workflow. For anyone researching the best table saw for serious versatility, that multi-material capability immediately shifts expectations. Now let's talk capacity. A 26-inch rip width and 3 3/8-inch cut depth mean full sheet materials no longer feel intimidating. The adjustable 0 to 45-degree bevel with geared angle selector adds clean angled cuts without constant recalibration. Precision is reinforced by the dual rack and pinion fence system, offering micro-adjustable rip control and tool-free parallel alignment so repeat cuts stay consistent. On busy job sites, portability becomes critical. The collapsible wheeled stand with all-terrain wheels and quick fold foot pedal allows fast setup and compact storage, while onboard accessory storage keeps essentials organized. Safety is not an afterthought. An electronic blade brake, anti-kickback pawls, quick-release riving knife, and oversized paddle switch create a controlled cutting environment. Compared to compact benchtop saws that lack stability and rip capacity, this model offers stronger support and broader application, though it demands slightly more space and weight. For contractors, remodelers, and committed DIY builders who want reliability, accuracy, and adaptable cutting power in one machine, this saw turns demanding material into clean results with a steady sense of command. At number 5 is SawStop Table Saw. A split second is all it takes for a routine cut to become a lifelong regret, and every serious woodworker knows that truth the moment the blade starts spinning. That quiet tension is exactly what makes the SawStop Table Saw stand apart in the crowded search for the best table saw for professional and workshop use. Its patented safety system stops the blade instantly on skin contact, transforming a potentially devastating accident into a controlled pause. That single feature reshapes how you approach every rip cut and crosscut. But safety alone would not earn respect without performance to match. The heavy-duty yet portable construction provides job site durability with steady footing, so large panels and hardwood stock feel supported rather than risky. The rack and pinion fence system locks square and adjusts smoothly, delivering accurate, repeatable cuts without constant measuring or frustration. High and low shelf support adds versatility for different material heights, while the quick tilt mechanism allows rapid angle adjustments with micro fine-tuning for detailed bevel work. Many buyers struggle with table saws that demand constant recalibration or feel unstable during long sessions. Compared to standard job site saws that focus primarily on portability and raw motor power, this model integrates advanced protection with refined precision, though the safety cartridge replacement adds ongoing cost and the upfront investment is higher than entry-level options. For professional contractors, cabinet makers, schools, and dedicated hobbyists who value precision and protection equally, this machine creates a workspace where focus sharpens and craftsmanship flows with a steadier, calmer rhythm. At number 4 is Flex Table Saw. Power cords have ended more productive days than dull blades ever did, and that constant hunt for an outlet is exactly what slows real work down. The Flex Table Saw steps into that gap with stacked lithium performance that delivers up to 200% more power and dramatically longer runtime, changing how cordless cutting feels on a busy job site. For builders comparing options in the best table saw category, this blend of mobility and muscle instantly earns attention. The 8 1/4-inch blade pairs with a 25-inch right rip capacity and 20.5-inch left clearance, giving you the reach needed for sheet goods without wrestling oversized material. The rack and pinion fence system adjusts quickly and stays aligned, creating repeatable cuts that feel deliberate rather than rushed. A rechargeable LED fence work light brightens the cut line in dim garages or early morning remodels, and the USB-C charging keeps it practical beyond the saw itself. The front-facing battery power indicator prevents unexpected shutdowns, while compatibility with the Flex 24-volt power adapter unlocks corded operation when extended runtime is essential. Many buyers struggle with compact cordless saws that sacrifice capacity or stability. This model balances portability with serious cutting authority, though investing in the battery platform raises the initial cost compared to basic corded units. Cross-compatibility with other Flex 24-volt tools strengthens its long-term value for professionals already invested in the system. For contractors, remodelers, and committed DIY craftsmen who demand flexibility without compromising rip capacity or precision, this machine transforms scattered job site chaos into controlled, forward-moving progress that feels built for momentum. The third one on our list is BOSCH Table Saw. A table saw can either slow your project down or set the pace for everything that follows, and the difference shows up in the first cut. When raw lumber meets a 15-amp motor spinning at 3,800 revolutions per minute, hesitation disappears. The BOSCH Table Saw delivers that kind of decisive energy, built for rip cutting and cross-cutting both fine and hardwood materials without bogging down under pressure. For craftsmen searching through the best table saw options, consistent performance under load is where real value begins. The electronically regulated speed maintains momentum, while soft start circuitry eases the motor into action and reduces the chance of tripping breakers on busy sites. Precision becomes easier to trust thanks to the rack and pinion rip fence with color-coded index pins, allowing quick hand dial adjustments that stay square. The convenience brake brings the blade to a stop in about 3 seconds, improving workflow and reducing downtime between cuts. Portability matters too. The open frame roll bar design keeps weight manageable, and when paired with the gravity rise wheeled stand, setup and breakdown feel smooth and efficient. SmartGuard components, including the riving knife and anti-kickback pawls, add visible protection without obstructing the cut line. Compared to heavier cabinet saws that offer immense power but lack mobility, this job site model balances durability and transport, though it may not match the massive rip capacity of full shop units. For contractors, remodelers, and serious DIY builders who need reliable cutting accuracy and job site flexibility, this machine keeps projects moving forward with steady rhythm and dependable control. On number 2 is SKIL Table Saw. A crooked rip cut can ruin an entire sheet of plywood, and that sinking feeling usually traces back to a fence that refused to stay true. That is the frustration many builders face before upgrading their setup. The SKIL Table Saw answers that problem with a precision rack and pinion fence system that glides smoothly and locks down square, turning uncertain adjustments into clean, repeatable cuts. For anyone researching the best table saw for home renovation or job site projects, accuracy is where real progress begins. Capacity matters just as much. With extended rip capability supported by outfeed and left side extensions, handling larger boards becomes manageable even when working solo. The rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels transforms mobility into a strength rather than an afterthought, allowing you to move across uneven surfaces without wrestling the machine. Easy load handles simplify transport from truck to workspace, saving time and energy at the start of every job. Dust management often gets overlooked, yet the integrated dust port elbow directs debris into one contained area, reducing cleanup and keeping visibility clear during longer sessions. Compared to compact benchtop saws that lack sturdy stands and adequate support for sheet goods, this model delivers greater stability and smoother workflow, though it occupies more space than ultra-portable options. It is ideal for serious DIY enthusiasts, remodelers, and contractors who need dependable rip cuts without stepping into the price range of heavy cabinet saws. When tools stop fighting you and start cooperating, every project feels more controlled, more efficient, and far more satisfying from first cut to final fit. Now moving to the last one is DEWALT Table Saw. The difference between a smooth build and a frustrating weekend project often comes down to one thing: how steady your first rip cut feels. When a saw hesitates or a fence drifts out of alignment, doubt creeps in fast. The DEWALT Table Saw removes that uncertainty with a rack and pinion telescoping fence system that adjusts quickly, glides smoothly, and locks with authority. For anyone comparing options in the best table saw category, that level of control immediately stands out. A powerful 15-amp motor drives through hardwood without strain, while the generous 32.5-inch rip capacity handles shelving, trim, and full-size panels with room to spare. The flip-over ripping fence and patented material support simplify narrow rip cuts, turning what used to feel risky into a controlled motion. Portability is built into the experience. The rolling stand sets up and breaks down easily, and telescoping rails retract to create a compact footprint for transport or storage. Onboard storage keeps the blade guard assembly, riving knife, miter gauge, push stick, and wrenches organized, reducing setup time and keeping your workflow clean. Dust collection connects directly to a vacuum through the 2.5-inch port, helping maintain visibility and minimizing cleanup. Compared to lighter benchtop models that lack rip capacity and stand stability, this saw offers greater strength and support, though it occupies more space and carries more weight. For remodelers, contractors, and serious DIY builders who need consistent rip cuts and job site mobility in one balanced package, this machine transforms demanding materials into clean lines and finished pieces with a steady sense of command. So guys, this was the video about the best table saw. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.